I'm going to show you how to create the Getting to Know You collage on Canva. So here's an example of mine. So what you're going to do is you're going to first enter in Google your name. My first name is Lauren. Your favorite color. So I entered turquoise, and then the word aesthetic. Aesthetic means being interested in how something looks and feels. Another way to describe it is aesthetic is somebody's idea of what is beautiful. So basically what you're going to be looking for are different images that have your favorite color that you find beautiful or aesthetically pleasing. So if you just click on images, you'll see all sorts of different images that you can choose from. Do try to choose an image that is mostly the color that you selected. So this picture probably wouldn't be the greatest one to choose because it doesn't really have that much turquoise in it. Okay, so once you find your photos that you want to use, you're just going to click on that photo and drag and drop it onto your desktop. This kind of home page is what you call your desktop. Then you're going to go onto Canva. And now that's after you've chosen your 4 images or more. Just type in Canva, and then you will see canva.com. So you're going to go there. You will have to log in through your Google account. Just use the district's Google account. I'm already logged in, so I'm not going to have to go through that process. But just use your Gmail Google account provided by the district. Then you're going to click on templates. And then you're going to scroll all the way down to photo collages. And you're going to press see all. Okay, there are different ones that you can choose. I don't care which one you choose. Just some of them wouldn't work. Like this one only has a spot for 2 photos, and that wouldn't work. But this one has a spot for 4, so that would work. So if you want to choose one of these already created designs, that's fine. I'm just going to use a blank one. Okay, so first I'm going to put in my photos. And a quick and easy way to do that is just literally clicking on your photo from your desktop and dragging it over. Once it's placed in there, you can move it around, you can change the size, whatever you want. But before you figure all that stuff out, I would get all your images in there. Okay, once your images are in there, then you're gonna determine how you want to organize them. Okay, I'm just doing this really quickly, so I'm not going to actually create one, but you do want to make sure you fill this whole area. You don't want white space in between like that. Okay, once you have a good arrangement, you're going to add your name, the color, and the word aesthetic. So you're going to click text over here on this sidebar. You can choose one of these fonts. Just make sure you choose a free one, but there are quite a few to choose from. Or you can just click add a heading and then type in your name, the color, and aesthetic. And then you can choose whichever font you would like. We've got a bunch of fonts to choose from up here. You might want to change the color of the font as well. Like this wouldn't really work super well because there's too much black in the images, so it wouldn't stand out well enough. But once you have it exactly how you would like, you're just going to click on this down arrow for download. You want the file type to be a JPEG. So make sure you select JPEG and then download. And then save it. I would save it as your name, the color, and aesthetic. And then you're going to save it to your desktop. So it's that home screen. So it'll just pop up here. Press save. You can X out of that advertisement. And then it will pop up. So here's mine right here. And then I can turn it in onto Canvas once you have that done.